Hi everyone, my name is Adeyemi Ogunaike, and in today's video we're going to continue from where we stopped in part 1. So another shortcut key I would like to show you is the Alt and the arrow key. So there's arrow up and there's arrow down, there's arrow left and arrow right, that portion of your keyboard where you have arrow up, left and right. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to highlight this portion. Then we now press on Alt on your keyboard. So if I want to move it, if I want to move this code up or down, I can easily do it with this Alt plus the arrow key, right? So I can easily move my code whenever I want it. Another command I like to show you is the Control plus backtick. So if I want to open my terminal, I can easily just click on Control and backtick, and my terminal opens, and there you have it. Another command I like to show you is the Control plus comma key. So all I just need to do is, so if I want to go to settings, all I need to do is to do the Control plus comma key, Control plus comma key, and you can see it. This is the settings. So if I don't need to start going through moving my mouse and all of that, I can just do Control plus the comma key, and I'm in settings. Another shortcut key I like to introduce you to is Control W. So if I don't like this particular file, instead of me moving my mouse or moving my cursor and all of that, and clicking on this, all I can just do is just to do Control W, and that file closes. That's the function of the Control W, is to close a file. Another command I like to show you is the Control F command. So if I'm looking for something in my code, because I could have maybe 200 lines of code, I could have 500 lines of code, and I can't just remember where I wrote something. All I need to do is do Control F, so it finds, so I can easily type what I'm looking for. So let's just assume that I'm looking for container. So it's telling me that I have, in the container I'm looking for is in 6 places. So I can even easily move like this, container here. So when I'm moving up and down, it will not, it is mean that I will know which particular container I'm looking for, whether it's the one that I wrote button, or whether it's the one I wrote inner, or is the first container. So that's the function of this Control F, to find what I'm looking for. From the name F, find what you're looking for. Another command I like to show you is still part of the Control F. So if I want to replace a word, I do Control F plus Alt Enter. So let's take, for example, now let's assume that I want to replace that footer. So I just do Control F. So right, Control F, and I want to replace it. All I just need to do is to press Alt and I press Enter. So I can easily type what I can easily replace it with anything. So let's say I want to replace it with Yemi, and then we have it. So if we could even have more than one footer, right? But let me even use that container. You can have more than one footer that you want to totally replace everything with, and the Control plus Alt plus Enter does the trick for us. So let me do with the let me do it with the container. So I can just easily do like this, Control F, then I do container, and I do Alt and Enter. So with this Alt and Enter now, anything that is container is going to be replaced by what I'm going to type. So let's just assume I want to type correction. So everything that was a container is going to is going to be removed by the new one I'm replacing. So that's about it, guys. So now if I want to obviously go back to where I was, because I don't want my work to be like correction. So I'll just do Ctrl Z, you know, and put it back to how it was before originally. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If there is a particular command or shortcut key that I am missing, please let me know in the comment section, to be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.